The 2025 Ducati XDiavel V4 isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in the power cruiser segment. Building upon the legacy of the XDiavel, this new iteration takes everything to the next level, seamlessly blending breathtaking performance, striking aesthetics, and cutting-edge technology. It's a motorcycle that defies categorization, a machine that's as exhilarating to ride as it is captivating to behold. The XDiavel V4 isn't simply a cruiser, it's a statement, a testament to Ducati's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of motorcycle engineering and design. It's a fusion of raw power, refined elegance, and technological sophistication, creating an unparalleled riding experience. The defining feature of the 2025 XDiavel V4 is undoubtedly its heart, the V4 Granturismo engine. This 1,158 cubic centimeters powerhouse, derived from Ducati's MotoGP experience, is a masterpiece of engineering, delivering explosive performance and a symphony of sound that's sure to thrill any rider. It's not just about peak power, it's about the way that power is delivered, the smoothness, the responsiveness, and the sheer visceral excitement that the V4 engine provides. The XDiavel V4's design is a work of art, a sculptural masterpiece that blends aggressive lines with elegant curves. It's a motorcycle that commands attention, exuding power and confidence from every angle. The long, low profile, the muscular fuel tank, and the exposed engine all contribute to its imposing presence. The XDiavel V4 is packed with cutting-edge technology that enhances both performance and rider safety. The latest electronics suite includes advanced rider aids such as cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and launch control. These technologies work seamlessly together to provide a smooth and controlled riding experience, even when pushing the bike to its limits. The XDiavel V4 offers a unique riding experience that's unlike anything else in the power cruiser segment. The combination of the explosive power of the V4 engine, the precise handling, and the comfortable ergonomics creates a riding experience that's both thrilling and refined. The 2025 Ducati XDiavel V4 is the king of power cruisers, a motorcycle that sets a new standard for performance, style, and technology. It's a machine that's as captivating to look at as it is thrilling to ride.